Hi, beautiful souls. I'm not sure if you can hear the sweet sounds of the birds, but there's so many different individual sounds. And then I just want you, if you can, or you can maybe just imagine a bird, just one of the sounds you can hear. And then just imagine where the sound may be coming from. Are they in a nest? Are they on a branch? What are they saying? And present yourself. Say, "Hello, beautiful bird. I witness you. I see you. I hear you. I love you." And then just wait. See if you can feel anything. And then just say, "Dear bird, I love you. I really love you." And just wait again. And then just say, "Show me all that you are." And then just wait again. Now, it's amazing what animals, what wildlife, the trees, the sky, the sun, insects. It's amazing what you can learn just from practicing love, practicing presence with another being, no matter how big or small they are, or even just a huge expanse like the sky, a huge big sun, or even the earth, even Gaia herself, placing your feet on the ground, feeling into the earth. Hello, Gaia. I love you. Seeing how she feels. How does she feel? What is she communicating to you? You can communicate with everything because we are all part of the whole. We're all part of the one. And often when people do things that are distorted, unkind, coming from a place of trauma, it's because they're disconnected from the truth of who they are. And that's why we come back to our source, to God. Reconnect. This is the different to attachments. I just want to say that. It's different to attachments. But we reconnect into the source of love with open hearts. So vital to keep opening your heart more and more and more. The more we open our hearts, the easier life becomes, the simpler it all is. I love you all, and I wish you a beautiful, blessed day. Peace.